Very yummy. Kulang lang sa ano ba? Kulang sa suka. Lami siya. Murag ka ng panay kalami sa car-car nga chicharon. How much is this though?
10.
Really it's cheap? Normally it's like 14. Sarap.
And then I should have been buying too.
No, you did no. You did? You did?
Of course. How happy can you be?
Five na ng hapon dito guys, and then pauwi kami ng bahay. Of course, magpe-prepare for dinner. Pero ang sarap nito, tamang-tama kasi sobrang gutom ako. Nag-lunch ako kanina, pero alam nyo na yung iniisip mo na parang, oh, magsasalad lang ako kasi I'm gonna be on diet, ganyan. So, nagsalad ako. At ngayon, sobrang gutom. Tapos, meron gato si Martin naman, kinukuha man yung sa akin. Tapos, ito na. Wala, bahala na eh. Bukas na mag-ano. Ang salad. Guys, may chika pala ako ba? Kita nyo yung video niya. Wait lang. This morning ba? This morning, before I went to work, I've seen a video of Will Smith punching or slapping, I don't know, maybe punching the face of the comedian Chris, what is the last name?
Rock.
Chris Rock. Oscar, ano daw yun, parang nomination, ganyan. Tapos, nag-joke kasi yung yung comedian, yung representer, nag-joke siya about yung sa asawa ni Will Smith kasi may sakit siyang alopecia. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's alopecia, yung buhok mo is maglalagas, ganyan. So, ang ginawa is shave niya, so bald siya. So, ngayon, nag-joke si Chris about na parang see you in anong movie, what was the movie that was the girl is
G.I. Jane.
G.I. Jane 2, like see you, ganyan. Tapos nagalit si Will Smith. At first parang nag-roll eye yung asawa niya. At first si Will Smith tumawa, pero na nakita niyo yung asawa niya parang gumanon yung reaction. He stood up and went to the stage and punched the face of the presenter. And is that Alexandra? Alexandra. Tapos pinunch niya ganyan, pero I understand naman na it's a sensitive topic to joke about kasi nga may sakit yung asawa niya, pero I don't think it justify na manakit ka just because your feelings has been hurt. Hindi dapat umabot sa mga punching at slapping. Oh wow! Kaya kita nyo guys, may maliit na bird, hindi nakita. Guys, hindi pa kami umuwi sa bahay.
No, it's a blocking purpose.
Pag sure Martin. No, guys, anong tawag niyan? Dumating na kami guys, pinark na namin yung sasakyan namin, tapos hindi kami pumasok ng bahay. Sabi ko, maglakad na muna kami, mga kahit 5-10 minutes lang kasi lagi na lang pero maginaw naman pala, oy. Ang ginaw pa din. So, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Kasi para makalanghap din ng fresh air. Ganda na Ganda. And this one, look, I said beautiful, this one.
Just handsome.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, And the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough. You mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all.
Hello, Kai. Welcome to Simply Siem's channel. She's right there. And finally, spring is here. The spring is here. The spring is here. The sun is up. Right? The forest awakening. The little one is there. She wants me to do an introduction. I'm not keen to do that, but I do it anyway. There's people in the back, and she got shy. Let's talk to the people. There's a vlogger in the forest. Let's go. Let's go interview some people. Shouldn't we do that? Make the vlog interesting. What do you see, Simple CM? Should we do that? She's not up for that.
Why do you act like you're so scary?
What?
Though? You look like you act like you're a monster.
Monster.
Why? Why do you do that? Why do you do that?
I don't do that.
Yes, you do.
Okay. So is that the end of...
No, tell them what is this place.
What do you want me to tell?
Let's say something.
Say something.
What are we gonna do for today?
And that's it. The walk is done. We gotta turn around. Turn around.
What? You're stupid. Let's go to IM.
So we're done vlogging.
Yeah, I think so.
But look at this. That's the sun. We
course they
haven't
know
seen
it's
that
the
for a long time in Denmark. But the last week it's been sunny. There's been no rain. And the energy is coming back. The batteries are recharged.
Yeah?
The world is a more positive place when the sun is shining. Right, Em?
Right.
Okay. So,
So,
what do you want to know?
know about?
Anything.
What is that place?
That's a lake. Actually, that is a handmade river to a lake. And that's a bridge. And that's a wife. I will end the vlog now because it's becoming uninteresting. There's no meat on this vlog. There's no direction. There's no purpose. There's only me gibbering and filming my wife because she got nothing better to say.
No, what do you think about what happened with this morning? Will Smith. That's like a big issue now in the
I got a lot of thoughts about what happened,
Yeah?
but none I want to share in the public
Why?
because then I will just create trouble and create canceling of Simply CM.
So if you talk, no, don't cancel, oi.
Okay, don't cancel.
Do,
So again, I got no thoughts about it.
you said you got a lot of stuff.
I got a lot of thoughts, but nothing I want to share.
Why not?
I'm against violence.
Okay, so you're against of what Will Smith did.
I could have been doing the same,
Really?
of course.
So is somebody gonna like make joke of me? Like, for example,
Oh, she's so small and ugly. Smask!
no, I'm not ugly. But
No,
it's
no,
like
but that was
maybe-
if somebody said that.
No, if somebody would say, what is like, oh, she could have been in the Snow White, not Snow White, but one of the seven dwarfs, something like that.
Yeah, I will of course agree. That's correct.
You're not
You're
gonna
a small
copy-
woman.
You're not gonna copy that.
Why? You just recognize that you could be a star in a Disney movie. And your height qualified you to be there. I will feel proud.
Oh, I'm not dwarf.
No, but you are a smallest one.
It's a normal
It's
height.
a joke, and it should not be. And just like what he did, was it a bad joke? Yeah, it was a bad joke.
I also
Was it a bad joke? Was it a
was-
ball joke? Was it a ball joke?
It was a bad joke.
It was a ball joke.
But I think he overreacted. He should not, you know, because people are watching, kids are watching, and they would think, okay, then it's okay to just hit someone. You know, if you don't